Hi guys, so I'm going to hug a tree for 72 hours non-stop from my previous world record attempt of 48 hours. See this? And because when you have mental health crisis, especially that is directly connected to environmental degradation like wildfires and floods and droughts, we have victims.
Is the longest tree hugger in the world.
I feel good. And I'm so excited that my target is 72 hours, but in 3 hours I'll be breaking my previous world record attempts. So I'll say I'll be at 48 hours in the next 3 hours. So I feel so excited, and I'm inviting you to see what we have in store for you. This is a surprise for everyone who's viewing our content in the road to breaking the world record for the longest time, the longest marathon hugging a tree ever.
So
and do not forget, I'm the first person in the world to do a marathon. So Kenya has a gem. Kenya is the first country to have. Hi Kenyans and the whole world, everyone who is watching us breaking a world record attempt at the office of the governor in Nyeri County, and actually towards the Nyeri Youth Summit. Thank you so much for your support, everyone. I don't know how to thank you enough. Thank you for everyone from Nyeri County and other places. People have traveled to come and take vigil and share the share the message widely, media, everyone. I'm so happy, and right now we are about to clock into the 29th and below. So from the 72 hours, I'm just remaining with 29 and below. 29 hours actually. Yes. So soon, very soon, and it's actually tomorrow at noon, we are going to clock it.
Thank you. But she's also hatuwezi. Unaona ile kamera?
Because it's supposed to go. No, ameshikilia hiyo.
No. Nikimpea kitu ya kukula, that is emotional support. Alafu ni akuhe kuo. And we don't want that. Sasa hata siwezi mhag. Nikimhag kidogo anakuwa disqualified. That's why ile kamera iko pale na laptop, because they are following. They are following every minute.
Lakini mtu akitaka picha anasongea hapo
anapigiwa hapo. Kwa ukiruka kuna watu tulipea ruhusa wanakuja kumhag. Ukimwonyesha unamhurumia kumhag, unammaliza nguvu. Unamaliza nguvu.
Hata tunakuombea ukae hapa. Watu kama hao wasije.
Mimi hata niko na vijana wa security. Watu wakileta upuzi mtu anatolewa nje. Bila alikuwa hapa. Haizi ameangaliwa na daktari. Kabla anze kulikuwa na daktari. So vitals zake ziko sawa. Daktari alisema ako sawa. So na daktari ana keep on kukuja. So we are very alert. Thank you so much.
So after she
akimaliza 72 hours, yes.
The same day.
Yes. Okay. In fact hata atapelekwa Kamukonji kuna Youth Summit. So atapelekwa pale Kamukonji kwa Youth Summit. Anyone who wants to meet her atakuja pale. Anyone who wants to be taken a photo akiwa amemhag atakuwa Kamukonji. But for now unapigwa tu na simu yako.
Sawa.
Moha ni aje? Rada kwa Karatina. Ako hapo sababu ana hug mti. Unajua it's very spiritual by the way. Unajua a tree is a living thing. Songa ni hivi mami. Watu wasonge. Enegwededa mohere nigetha muhe na trufena. Juu itakatika. Itakatika na tutaki katika.